Woke up this morning, found out I had all these fucking dishes in the sink, pissing me off. My mama gonna come in there talking about, clean the fucking dishes, you don't never do shit. I'm like, bitch, I will fucking slut your throat with a fucking butter knife, bitch. I gotta go to work at 5 o'clock, work in the fucking pharmacy. Bitch ass. I can't stand car drugs. I need to be on drugs to fucking work there. Fucking pissing me off. I can't get my medicine. Fuck no, nigga. Call a funeral home or something. I don't give a shit. No, you can't get a refill of ice cream, nigga. Pissing me off. Fucking spit when I'm talking. Unforgivable.